Checking whether a customer's refund actually went through just got a lot less tedious. And of course, what got a lot less tedious and got a lot more exciting is Cypher, yes, which is India's biggest AI summit and expo, which is back in its 10th edition. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, which makes it bigger than ever. Yes, the venue is KTPO, Bengaluru. It shall take place in October of this year. And well, I know that you're very serious about your AI and tech, which then ensures the fact that you shall be at IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026. And now for the rest of the details on Paytm. Yes, so Paytm Payment Services Limited has launched an MCP connector that links a business's Paytm payment gateway account directly to Claude. Once connected, merchants can ask Claude in plain language to pull up transactions, payment links, refunds, settlements, subscriptions, order status, and reconciliation details. Well, instead of doing it manually, searching a payment dashboard to check if a refund cleared, for example, or a business can just ask the same question. Finance teams can now actually pull settlement and reconciliation details the same way without hopping between dashboard pages, reports, and raw API calls for routine checks. Now, this runs on Model Context Protocol. It is a standard that lets AI applications like Claude securely connect to outside services and pull only the information they've been authorized to access. Businesses link their Paytm account to Claude through secure authentication, and from there, Claude can see nothing more than whatever payment data the merchant has explicitly permitted. Now, this is the detail which is worth highlighting. Claude's role is read access, not execution. Yes. Payment information gets shared strictly through authorized permissions, while actual processing still runs entirely through Paytm Payment Services' existing infrastructure. Paytm frames this as merchant-controlled access with security intact, and I quote, "AI becomes valuable for businesses when it connects securely with real business workflows," end quote. That's actually the pitch. The faster answers, same old rails underneath. It is aimed at entrepreneurs, developers, and business teams who want faster answers without losing control over what an AI system can actually do. This, by the way, isn't a sandbox experiment, no, which has been bolted onto, let's say, a side project. Paytm Payment Gateway runs at 99.99% uptime, next day settlements, and handles over 3,000 transactions a second. Wow, that's whopping. Now, whatever Claude is reading here, it's reading of infrastructure which is already moving real money at real volume, which of course then brings us to the front page take. Now, the design choice here matters more than the convenience, but here's the part that complicates the comfort. Stripe already runs an MCP server for Claude, and it doesn't stop at read access. It ships with tools to issue refunds, void invoices, create customers, gated only by whatever scopes sit on the API key you hand it. So the caution Paytm is showing right now isn't actually the industry default, it's more of a choice. Somewhere else, that same line has already been crossed, by the way. But, of course, it does raise a very important question, which is, we've already seen AI agents fumble comparatively low-stakes tasks like scheduling and bookings, misreading intent, double booking, or for that matter, acting on something nobody really actually asked for. Yeah, I'm sure it's happened to all of us. Now, if that kind of error shows up even occasionally in something as trivial as an appointment, what does it take before anyone is fully comfortable letting AI anywhere near execution on banking and payments? Yeah, quite a pertinent point there. And that's, of course, not a someday question. Somewhere in the same MCP ecosystem, an AI agent already, by the way, has a refund button. Paytm just chose not to hand it one as yet. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below this, ladies and gentlemen, front page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.